What is up, guys? I just want to say that the 2019 MacBook Keyboard is still susceptible to failure. This is about a 1-month-old keyboard on my 2018 15-inch MacBook Pro, and this is a 2019 keyboard. The R key is duplicating. If I do R in space, sometimes it will do 2 R's. And I'm just pressing R once. Sometimes it takes a while, but duplicates will show up. And I swear I've gotten a few duplicate space bars too. I'm very disappointed, as this is my 7th keyboard failure on this 2018 MacBook Pro. It's actually my 4th replacement MacBook Pro because of these pieces of shit keyboards. Yeah, I think that was duplicate, but it just showed up after the space. It'll do that too sometimes. It'll show up duplicating after space. Sometimes that's me, but like that time that was me. Yeah, these keyboards really are crappy. Oh, there we go. Duplicate. Yep, I did not type that R twice. Yet another. Maybe more slowly. Oh. Yeah, it just shows you that this keyboard really is a piece of shit. And hopefully they've finally learned by now that these keyboards are crap, because in 2020 they're supposedly coming out with a scissor switch design. Again, like a new scissor switch, not like the old one. Because I'm just very disappointed in this keyboard. This is a $3,000 laptop, and this keyboard's a piece of shit. Switch hands here. Oh, another duplicate. Oh, more. Yeah, maybe it's time for MacBook Pro replacement number 5 or something. I will say the 2019 keyboard has lasted longer than the 2018s that I've had, but not by much. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys.